going on? Today I'm going to show you two Instagram features that you have also missed. So we're going to go to highlights and shadows. So first, highlights. If you go all the way to 100, you're going to see that a lot of the white parts, so the highlights from like lights and stuff, will be much more blown out if you go to 100. And if you go to minus 100, it'll be the opposite. It'll be dark. You'll see on my face especially how the highlights will kind of go. So the white parts, the like light shining and stuff. If I go to shadows, we're going to see that if I go to 100, all shadows kind of getting dimmer, or like we're going to make it more light. So if you go to minus 100, you're going to see a lot of darkness. So we're adding a lot of dark into our photo for these shadows. So these are very similar features, but they do kind of have a very subtle difference in them. So all you have to do is use them and just use them accordingly. So for example, highlights you're going to use for lights, and shadows you're going to use for like like sides of the face and stuff where you could see all the like angles and things. So just keep that in mind and use these when you like. I hope you like this. Feel free to follow and like for more, and let me know if you like anything else. Thanks for watching. Bye.